As you can see here, it says harder math right here. Well, I'm going to show you that this section is actually not that hard. We are going to do question number 7. A right triangle has a hypotenuse with a length of 14 inches and a leg with a length of 8 inches. What is the value of integer a if the other leg of the triangle has a length of 2 root a inches? Now you start with drawing a right triangle with the corresponding sides labeled. And so the two legs are here and the hypotenuse is there, as indicated in the problem. Now, a squared plus b squared equals c squared is the Pythagorean theorem. That's what we're going to use. That's going to help us find a, which is the desired quantity here. It's part of one of the legs. So we're going to do 14 squared, which is our hypotenuse squared, or c squared, equals to our leg squared plus the second leg squared. And solving that, we get 196 equals 64 plus 4a. Having a calculator on the SAT makes it so much easier, but it's actually really possible to do it without a calculator. I did this without a calculator, so can you. And continuing on, we subtract 64 from both sides. We get 132 equals 4a, and a equals 33.